tukurigeri oborai bwa bono iga noborai bwarenge korumaega noborai bwarenge korwa korumaega mbori tukurigeri the governor orio rwetoro James Ongwae maete nsa chinde oborai obo Nyasaye okorwa Nyasaye kerakorwa oborai kero goikaransa ari asoraire mwao endoto nere ekonyagocha kango nimba egento gete buna omorai nabori bwensi Nyasaye ogotomera ndoto nsa chinde ekero twabwate the leadership of James Ongwae naigete agateba ng'a gochi motwe buna toroche nonye totaete gochenchi oborai bwa gusii ni sawa yane nakorire lakini obonyira mbochi koba ntwasupporteti our sitting governor His Excellency Arati Simba Paul nachete na oborai boronge tukairoka togateba we need a change lakini omorari ekene kia amang'ana buna tokorigeria ebinto naende tari ngosupport government tindi gosupport oborai bwa Kisii County naende tindi kobopinga but the fact remains naende ekero okwana ekene nonye Bibilia egoteba let the truth set you free ase yaekeire we have to condemn the leadership in Kisii County starting because the Kisii County government is being led by the governor as the Kenyan government is being led by the president. Igo anything kegokorekana bobe we blame who to be blamed. That's the question. A very rhetorical question. Tanyare konyansa but I can answer because I'm a leader. Ukogani oborai oboronge amanyinga atari goiteka kende gionsi gose korusia gesiomba etari korekana. So we are blaming the Kisii County government which is led by His Excellency Arati. Onye ndi abegete emekakati eria chitaga twachi promising oborai mbochi kobo boronge unakonya tuwa mwegenire for the first 3 years yakorete egasi in fact first 2 years nabono igatogokore comparison he has failed because Gunism is becoming notorious in Kisii County una keliki alenge Dagoretti and that's what we are really condemning in Kisii County as the youths.